Decorations can help repurpose a space. Over time, you may have to use rooms in your home for different purposes. Decorations can make these rooms more suitable for specific purposes. For example, a nursery should be repurposed when your children are all grown. Decorations made the space ideal for babies, just like they can also make the room suitable for other uses. Even if you have a specific theme for your home decoration, there are bound to be little differences from room to room. These differences are caused by the purpose of the rooms or the taste of people living in them. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of small wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. There are numerous benefits attached to home decoration. Put your best into it whenever you get the chance to decorate, and you will see the results of your effort in the beauty and functionality that will be added to your home. Decorating your space with good quality wooden furniture is the backbone of any house. Wooden sofa sets, wooden dining tables, and wooden almirahs can add a sense of personality to any interior space. There are different types of timber to choose from, and each one has its own distinct style and appearance. For example, walnut is a rich dark brown color that can add a touch of luxury to your room. Oak is a lighter colored wood that is sturdy and hence a versatile choice for furniture. Well-made wooden furniture crafted from hardwoods can last generations, despite heavy use. Softwoods like pine and cedar are more common. Because softwood trees take less time to grow than hardwoods, they tend to be cheaper. While not as durable as hardwoods, wooden furniture made from softwood tend to grow in character over time. Scratches and markings made in the furniture give the wood a rustic, shabby chic feel. Each piece of wood is slightly different. Even if wooden furniture is made the same way, with the same type of material, there will be subtle differences. You will notice the differences in beautifully grained woods like quarter sawn white oak or live edge walnut. The slight variations in the thickness and direction of each grain really pop when seen together. Wooden furniture can fit in any home aesthetic. Rustic cherry or rustic walnut works perfectly for a home going for a rustic look. A well-placed rustic cherry chair is a wonderful rustic accent to any home. For modernists, natural walnut fits in well with a white, minimalist style. The wood's natural darker color and airy feel will blend right in. A cherry armoire can go far in completing a room's traditional look. If you're more eclectically inclined, you can have fun mixing and matching different types of wood, either throughout the house or in one room. Wooden furniture grants you a kind of subtle versatility that no other kind of furniture can. You will get a wide range of wooden furniture options, and then you will be able to find favorite design furniture that will suit your home design and complement it in the best way possible. Unlike plastic, wood is a sustainable resource. As long as it's harvested responsibly, trees can be continually replenished. However, it's important to buy wood from eco-friendly forests. These are forests that emphasize replacing whatever trees they harvest with new growth. By investing in this kind of sustainable wood, we can help to cut back on carbon emission. Wood is also much easier to recycle and use again than something like plastic. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked small wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.